At the end of the 3D printing process, unlock the system by clicking the Unlock button. Start the suction procedure of the liquid resin left in the resin vat by clicking Keep in the window that pops up. Use the black silicone spatula included to drive the liquid resin towards the suction hole. During this procedure, make sure to keep the spatula adhering to the bottom of the resin vat in order to help the flow of suction, and at the same time check that no solidified resin remains on the bottom. Hold the washing box under the object before launching the model detachment function. Launch the model detach function from the monitoring page. After a few seconds, the object will fall down automatically.